Have you ever wondered how to change your pricing in your Shopify store to create a sale? I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. All right, what you're going to do is you want to go to your products, choose the product you want to be on sale. In my case, I'm going to choose our Prey Area Oversized Hoodie. Oops, sorry about that. Let me go back to products. Okay, so instead of clicking on the product you want to choose, so in my case, I'm going to choose the Prey Area Oversized Hoodie. Instead of clicking there, click this box. Okay, then you're going to click Bulk Edit. Excuse me. And then it's going to give you some options here. If you see here, I got compare at price, base price. If you don't see compare at price, you want to go up here where it says columns, and then you want to make sure compare at price is selected. And then it's going to pop up here. Right now, our price is $59. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare it to 59. We're going to put it on sale for $49. So what you want to do is your base price is going to be your sale price, okay? Your compare at price is going to be the price it usually is. All right, so what I'm going to do is you can see here the highest price is $62.99, right? So I'm just going to put that for every column here. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to type in 62.99, and we're good. Then you're going to hit Control-C on a PC, Mac, I'm not for sure what it is, but you're going to copy. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and hold Shift and click that. Then you're going to paste your price. Now you've done all your sizes at once. Go ahead and click Save. Now we want to put it on sale. This is going to be our sale price. Base price is going to be your sale price. So I want to put it on sale for $49. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to type in $49.99. Okay. Oops, not 4,000. Sorry about that. $49.99. Okay. And hit enter. All right. And then what we're going to do, we're going to select that price and hit Control-C. Then we're going to scroll down, hold Shift, and click here. You want to make sure all your columns are selected. Then you hit Control-V. And then you're going to click Save. So now I'm going to go visit this hoodie. Make sure our prices are saved and we're good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. Right. And we're going to go to our Prey Area Oversized Hoodie. And I'm going to click View As. Excuse me. Online store. Oops, sorry. View As right here. So, oh, wait. Where are we at? Let me see. View As. More actions. Here we go. View. Sorry about that, fam. Here we go. View. And we should be good to go. $62.99 on sale for $49.99. That's how you create a sale in your Shopify store. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If this video has given you any value, don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe. God bless.